Is your external component the LibXL Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish LibXL project links. Before diving into the manual fix for LibXL library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the LibXL library, a high-performance library used by applications to read and write Microsoft Excel files without requiring Excel to be installed. It is frequently found in localized business tools and data export utilities. Missing Libxl.dll results in the export to Excel feature failing or the application crashing when attempting to generate spreadsheet reports. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Errors related to LibXL Library DLL often mean the internal LibXL project configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with LibXL library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading LibXL Library DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing LibXL library. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and LibXL library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.